open the game for you.
Okay, cool.
Batch scripts.
Yep, batch scripts.
We don't have our launcher working at the moment, so we use batch scripts. Alright, hold on, where's my...
It'll just make your life easier so you don't need to constantly enter in things.
Yeah,
you could
imagine
just
having to
press
go in the
space or
command
something.
prompt each time and type in set TLOPO play cookie. No thanks. Alright.
Gross.
I'm just sending this to you. I'm going to send it to a script, but that's the thing.
Okay.
But let me actually change it.
So sorry, do you want me to wait for a batch script or just...
If you know how to make a batch script, throw it in there and I'll give you the IP to change it to. Just right click, click new,
text file.
new text file, then change it to .bat.
Yeah, okay.
Use that. But,
Do I have to name it anything specific?
copy that, I just updated the script for you.
Okay.
Name it whatever you want it.
Cool.
And throw that in the same folder with the exe. Does the exe start up?
I don't know. Hold on.
If it doesn't, I'm thinking I should just have you rename that OpenAL32 to just plain OpenAL.
Okay.
It should work, but...
Okay, I just ran the executable and it brought up the command prompts. Said decrypting the game and then closed. I don't know if it's...
It closed?
Yeah.
Alright.
I don't know. Here, I could try running it with the...
Here, I added something
that.
onto it. 1 second. Here. Wait 1 second. Okay, mess this up. But at least it opened, so it's not a DLL not being found.
Yeah, that was just me running the executable by itself. Let me...
oh, you need to run it through
yeah,
there.
Yeah,
You need to run it through there.
I was just checking to see if it would work.
Did you close it right after, or it closed for you?
It closed for me.
Yeah, that's weird. I'll find out in a second why. But
Okay...
what I'm thinking is it couldn't find something.
Come on. Alright.
Did it open the window?
Oh, I'm trying to get the bat to run.
What is it saying?
It's... I'm trying to figure out how to get it to run with command prompt. It's just opening the text file.
Here, let me make the bat for you then.
Batch file.
Do.
Alright, here you go.
Alright. And that has the right server address, right?
Yeah, you just have to come up with your own username.
Okay.
Just make up something. Did it download?
Connecting.
Here, this may be faster.
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw it on.
Skype is awful for file sharing.
Here.
I'm gonna go to an island that's not that I can't teleport to. I don't know. I'm just gonna pick a random island to go to. We'll go to like Tormenta or something. Tormenta. I'll go to Isla Tormenta. I love how Outcast All is just called All of Outcast. It doesn't even have a proper UID.
Yeah, it does. Outcast ISLE.
Oh, alright, yeah, it
You
does.
should see one saying the main island.
Alright, so I'm gonna change my return ID to. I'm gonna go to Tormenta.
Alright, did that work for you?
I'm entering my username. Hold on.
Then again, if the exe like closed out when it was decrypting, it might be missing a file.
Ooh, gross. Okay.
It was being so messed up, I just turned it off. Turned it back on.
Authenticating.
Uh-oh. Resource default phase2.mf missing.
He doesn't have his you didn't give him the resources.
You don't have the resources in there. I gave him the resources.
I only have phase 1. Oh, wait.
Inside the resources folder, did you get rid of that? I took that
No,
file
I have
off the
it.
site.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, he doesn't have the wait.
I have it.
Oh.
I gave it to him.
Alright.
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, he's
Alright.
got a place to file.
Alright, now we're gonna go to Tormenta, guys.
Folder structure is crucial.
Alright, so we're in Tormenta. This hasn't really been... Okay, I just crashed because I hit control right when I got into Tormenta.
Oh, it's doing some sort of update on my computer here. Huh. Applying update operation. Out of 30,000 files. Wow, my Windows is out of date.
Alright guys, I'm gonna respawn into Tormenta and we're actually gonna take a look at the game. And then we'll take a look
I think it's messed up. You're gonna have Rocket Man if you want to go into the Cursed Caverns. I just started on that one yesterday.
And then after that, we'll take a look at Perdida. We'll take a look at Perdida after Tormenta. Why not? Might as well. So let's check out Tormenta.
Okay, so it's still saying phase 2 is missing, and I don't see it in any of the folders that you gave me. Only phase 1 and the DLL.
Do you see resources default and then it's there? It should be in TLOPO.zip.
Hold on, let me go back to it.
Hey, Co, could you redial this so you're the host so I could actually call him privately?
Sure thing.
Alright.
Alright, so rip the call.
Alright, I'm going to have... Once Vector joins, I think we'll be good.
If Vector does join. If not, then I'll just end the call and then you can call back.
You could all talk to them in there. Alright, once Vector joins, I will... Here, actually, just talk to them for a second on there, and I'm going to talk to Jack privately for a second.
Alright, sounds good. Alright, so... dregs. Alright, so the call thing, we'll just wait for that. But let's check out Tormenta. Now, Tormenta is one of the few islands that doesn't lag beyond belief when you're on it. So I can actually kind of walk around and do a lot of stuff without lagging behind. These guys are way above my level. Ryan's Gate does not have, like, Ryan's Gate, I'm pretty sure is not getting in the game. The only person who we are giving this production executable to is Defective Gamer, so we can test out the game. So yeah. Oh As you can see, this cave is not yet implemented. We have to implement all the caves one by one. Okay, so it's actually that gun that's broken. So I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take it out of my inventory. Alright, so calling back.
Yep, you're good.
Alright, there we go.
Alright.
Turns out that this gun is kill, so I have to... Oh nice, I just broke another slot in my inventory. I'm gonna have to hack that, fix that after this, but it's fine, I got this one still, so... Mike, you had one job, this Perdida tunnel has no entrance.
You mean I didn't do Perdida.
I thought you did.
I did Tormenta.
No, wait, never mind. This is Tormenta. Never mind. Why did I say?
You need to go to the right side, not the left one. I mean, you need to go to the left one, not the right side.
Okay.
Oops.
And then I gotta like Rocket Man up there.
Nope, you need to go to the left side, not the right one. But you need to have Rocket Man on because the inside tunnel isn't perfect. So when you do go in there, you'll be able to fly your way back up.
So many assertion fails.
Oh, I just got a message on Skype that's very sassy saying Perdita, not Perdita. I got a very sassy message on Skype saying that.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Alright, let me just clear up something for you viewers of this stream. Alright, so when I first joined
Nobody knows how to pronounce these islands.
When I first joined the team, I didn't even know how to pronounce, like... Well, actually, I knew how to pronounce Padres, but some stuff, like, I didn't know how to pronounce. And Perdida, I still don't know how to pronounce, because Mike calls it Perdida as well. So I'm like...
I call it Perdidia most of the time. Like, did-ia.
So
Didia.
So I'm like, alright,
like, there's so many islands that they're up to debate,
so
like, what they're...
We're gonna check out the broken...
Like, it's either Kingshead or Kingshead.
Kingshead? Who says Kingshead?
Kingshead.
I don't know, it's King's Head or Kingshead. Like, that's all up for debate. Pirates never gave, like, a little spelling guide with their game.
Okay,
there were no
Like,
trading
I wish I knew how to spell it. Not spell it, and say it.
Okay,
I know how to spell it.
It's Kingshead.
Maybe.
Okay, I'm just in yellow.
I can see that. That is an odd shade of yellow,
and
too.
then I just went through the cave back to Tormenta.
Really? Oh, you have to have the thing on to jump.
What the heck? It brought me back into the Cursed Caverns.
I told you have to have it on. And you have to make sure you fly... Oh, you have to fly it, like, further in.
I have Rocket Man on.
Just fly your way around and not hit the cave exit.
So interesting to watch. Holy cow.
Did you get the file downloaded?
It's at 3 minutes. I was saying the stream is interesting to watch. He just like went into 3 different tunnels at once.
You know what? Screw
This is the life of the
Screw this. I'm going to Perdita.
It took you back in.
So is TLOPO super bulky with RAM like TTR is?
Super bulky with RAM? I think so. Like right now it could, like we recommend having 2 gigs.
I think
we recommend having 4 gigs, but 2 gigs is like the minimum.
At the moment it eats up a bit of RAM, but later on, we have some stuff.
We're going to be going through fixing all of that.
We have some stuff
making
that
sure
once
we
have some stuff that once we fix it, it won't eat up as much RAM.
Okay, cool.
But like while we're still in development, it's like some of these bugs we still have to fix in order for it to not eat up so much RAM.
We have to go through the whole entire code though to find where all that memory is coming from.
Like, I noticed that
like if you watch it when it starts up, like if you watch, there'll be one part where all of a sudden you just go and it just jumps with all the memory.
Huge spike, yeah.
But like,
so we have to find it. It's not like a leak though, so it's not like it's constantly coming. It's just like things aren't probably being cleaned up correctly.
But it's using a lot of it, even though it's not constantly allocating. It's using a lot of it.
Okay.
TTR engine is kind of like the same thing. It just uses a lot of RAM.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if that is also our open source client. Like when you go from it's not open source, but like when you run from source, it does use a lot of RAM.
Yeah.
I don't know if TTR is the same way.
Yes, Reacher, you're gonna need 64 gigs of RAM to play this game.
64, you'll be able to run like 10, 20, 30 clients on it.
Yeah.
Still have butter gameplay.
Multi-boxing.
I crashed again. Slap.
Rip. Alright.
This stream has been full of crashes, but I've also got the crash log, so I'm gonna fix some stuff.
Yeah, and then we're also gonna have our pretty good near eye tester here.
Yeah, I'll try to hang on to the crash logs and send those to you afterwards.
Actually, a really cool thing is whenever you crash, the logs are automatically sent to the server.
Oh, neat.
So you don't even need to send them to us. We automatically get them.
I love how
which is really cool.
I love how fast Perdita loads. Perdita loads so fast. And it's also like completely like lag free almost.
How do you load up Perdita? Did you edit your database?
Yeah, I had to edit the database.
Alright.
I had to edit my set return location. Oh, and I just said Perdita again, so I imagine someone's gonna complain to you, alright? Perdita.
Nice.
Oh well.
I've seen like 10 different spellings of it in the chat, so I think you're okay.
At least it actually shows the proper location. Like it shows it. Are you in Padres?
Yeah, I'm on Padres.
So yeah, it shows the right location. That's nice.
It shows caves and buildings too.
Dude, the backlash in the chat was like, "Don't say that anymore." I guess I can't say it anymore.
Someone was like, "Really? Perdita?
It's Perdita?
Mega Tatortot?
Like some people said Perdita, and then some people like Perdita. I don't even know anymore. Like I'm just gonna say like whatever I say.
Who knows? If we ever get in contact with Disney someday, I'll get to the bottom of this and find out how we're supposed to pronounce this.
Does nobody on the movie? Did they not say ever say Perdita or whatever?
No, I don't think that was in the movie.
I have the Headstone Quest one where you hear Johnny Depp saying Padres del Fuego, so I know it's pronounced Fuego. Yeah. Which I had that one pronounced correctly. That was in the game for a very short amount of time.
Padres del Fuego, I know how to pronounce anyways, because that's a Spanish thing, so if you know Spanish...
Yeah, it stands for Father of Fire.
You'll know Fuego if you know, like...
Any Spanish. Oh, cool, the game is up.
Terror Wasp.
I'll be waiting for you on Port Royal. Now, keep in mind, you are using the compiled binary, so if there aren't any issues that you may have, we may not be experiencing them.
Okay.
And if you do have those issues, report them.
Yeah, the run times I was going to have a lot more issues. Oh, I just whispered...
Coat, you just whispered your HP magic word to me.
But, yeah, some runtime issues we might not be able to replicate, so let us know those bugs so we can fix them.
Okay. Oh.
Alright, I will actually run on my PC.
So it's trying to do the tutorial. This is interesting.
It'll do the cutscenes, but the cutscenes are a little off. We need to fix the camera.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, and those
But that's something that we do know.
Yeah,
that's something we do know. We might not have those, actually.
HP what?
Are these the original shapes?
Yes, those are I think... Are those the old bodies or the new bodies?
I don't know.
I think those are new bodies.
Wait,
I just saw the Facebook page. I didn't know that there were two sets of bodies before I saw that.
Yeah, there were the old bodies. There were the old body types that got removed. We're gonna add those back to the game.
We'll have to find a way to efficiently add it to make a pirate. We might have a scroll. We might have like a different thing, like a big little one.
Weren't those like the body types that were in like beta or something?
No, I don't.
No, I think they were like briefly after release.
Yeah, I think so. It's just like how there's the old islands that got, because like reconstruction or something, so they made new islands.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they actually made the new islands for the tutorial.
But like the original Port Royal looks like the movie Port Royal, but the new one doesn't really.
Mm-hmm.
The new one has a lot more complexity to it than the old one, but the old one I think is more nostalgic than the new one.
Yeah, I like bits of both.
I have known
like there are certain things I like about the old one that I don't like about the new one.
I literally have no nostalgia toward this game since I didn't play it, so it's...
Yeah, John.
So hey, you're the unbiased developer. If something works, you're like, is that how it's supposed to work?
And I love how
it's stupid.
I love how Otaku was just like, I can't really work on a game I never played, but I'm doing it, so it's
yeah.
Like, he could if he had the interest in it, he could probably work on it. But
yeah, but that interest would fade within like 5 minutes.
He's probably more into Toontown, I'm guessing still, even though he doesn't even really into Toontown that much either. But
well, yeah, if he had a good standing in this community, like he were famous or whatever, like a famous Reddit mod, I'm sure he would be more interested in it. It's just where he fits.
I wasn't even I didn't even exist in this community until May, and then I just popped up out of nowhere, and I was like, "Yo, what's up?"
Was up?
Yeah, Zach Gates got you onto the team.
Yeah, Zach Gates just added me.
Did you get a crash after Make a Pirate?
I'm not done making my pirate. I forgot how many like character options there are. This game is ridiculous.
On the stream, which island do you guys want me to see? Which island do you want to see me go to next? I'm gonna ask the stream. Let me know. I'll see which one's most voted.
We have 69 people in the chat room. In before we hit 70.
I think we were at 70 earlier.
We were?
We were at like 75.
Yeah.
I wonder if Nirai will run... Nirai. I wonder if Nirai will run using... what's it called? Wine. I wonder if it'll run using wine.
Possibly.
If it does, I'd test that on my Mac.
Does it run on Linux?
I haven't tried using wine. I don't know if wine works with Linux, does it?
I don't remember. Maybe.
I think wine's more of a Mac thing. But I know we are planning on Linux support. We've already begun converting things to work with Linux.
That's cool.
Do you know the names of any of like the Spanish or French islands?
Ile D'Etable
Porc. Yeah, I always remember that.
Averica. There's Pork Chop, and then there's Averica.
Man, this is pretty neat. Can I do type a name, or is that gonna...
You can type
a name. Just keep it appropriate.
Yeah, because the names get auto-approved on the developer server.
Okay. Oh, you know what? I think I used pick a name originally. I'll just do that. It's still in here.
Sorry if it takes a little bit for things to load. Because I'm noticing on my PC it's taking forever just to get into the game, but at the same time my PC is very slow. It'd probably be a better test if I went on my
desktop. Is that the PC that's got Vista on it?
No, that's not the Vista PC. It's actually one I have Windows 7 on. It's my only Windows 7 PC.
Don't you have a PC with Windows 8 too?
No, I upgraded that one to 10, and I love 10.
Yeah, 10's awesome.
As in leave. As in... No.
Let's see. Yes, Hector, I remember the way that people would get on the ships originally.
How was that?
I got a message that someone said that in here. Yes, I remember how you get on that. They had a little booth you'd run up to, and you'd kind of have your ship just spawn out of nowhere next to the docks. You'd run up to the ship, and then you just rope onto it.
Oh, that's
But
cool.
it was so confusing for some people to figure out that they just made it simpler, where you just run to the dinghy and you press shift and you're in.
Oh,
That's actually how
I've never
they're
been to this island before. I've never been to this one, so this is gonna be like a first if it loads.
Alright, so I just crashed. I'm
I
going
should
back
make
in.
magic words for all of them. Yeah, you're gonna crash after making pirate. That's a compiler issue.
Okay.
Just restart and you should be able to get it. Is your water black, blue?
Oh, it loaded. Oh, that's so awesome.
I love how you guys are like, man, this thing works.
These are islands that we've never gone on before, so we have no idea if these are even working. Like, this has been tried live on stream and it works, so it's awesome.
I think Johnny went on every single island.
Okay, maybe Johnny went every single island, but I wasn't aware that it works, so it works. It's awesome. This is cool.
You guys made a game. That's pretty neat.
It was fun.
It's not over.
Yeah, far from it. Yeah, Mike, far from it.
It's still fun.
Yeah, it's fun, but it's far from being done.
Oh, I just got a message on Skype again saying your French and Spanish suck.
Hey, it's me talking.
Isla D'Etable Averica.
Of how this Garcia guy is just sleeping, like here. Like, what's he doing?
Oh, cool. I'm here. Wow, the game actually looks pretty decent.
I'm gonna go to Port Royal just so I can, you know.
What did you use as your username?
My username is allgamer21.
Okay.
My pirate name is Rusty Fiddles.
Padres.
So do all of the weapons work? That's neat.
The ones that are in your inventory will work, yeah.
Okay.
Are you on Port Royal?
Yeah, he's right here.
What's his? Oh, you're next to him?
Rusty Fiddles. I'm gonna add him as a friend.
Ooh.
I'm gonna run up to him using my Near client. So far things are running pretty good for me. But I do have a pretty slow computer here, so it's understandable. Where things may not be.
Alright, awesome. So the Near client.
So the water is blue for me.
Oh, you're probably,
it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because you have Intel.
You're probably on
Intel or
graphics
AMD.
then. Yeah. If you're on
He
Intel.
has something else. All my computer said blue water. He has black water. And he's like, I'm jealous of all you people.
Yeah, because the water is broken on NVIDIA graphics, but if you have like Intel or AMD, then it's blue. So it's kind of like, I have oil spill water.
Oh, I thought I disabled. Do you have friendly fire enabled on yours?
He's using whatever.
So pull out the sword and try to attack.
He's using whatever config you gave him that's in the Near client.
I disabled that. Did it not register?
Well, it seems whenever I set to true or false, it didn't like it still let me damage on both true and false. So it's
yeah, I can't attack anybody.
Kill him?
No.
You can or you can't?
Oh, he can't.
Can't? Okay, good. I might be using an outdated one. Yes, I'm using an outdated one. That explains it.
Ow, I'm dead.
I just hit Rusty Fiddles.
I'm using an outdated one. That makes sense. Okay.
I forgot your access level will allow you to use like commands and stuff. So you can use like HP to like give yourself HP.
Okay, so I'm going to load up the game with the correct one.
I don't know,
but instead I'm actually going to use the... at least I know it works. That's the happy thing for me. It works.
Yeah, the production client works. Oh! Oh, I killed him!
Rip!
I killed him.
Kill him.
Revive me.
Uh-oh. I don't know how to revive.
Oh god. So I have to go to jail? Is that gonna work?
Yeah,
go to jail. But make sure that if you have an issue, let me know.
Okay.
Here, I'll actually run to... Oops, I just sent my run command to him.
You sent him your run command?
I sent you my run command.
Oh, yeah. Where are you gonna run?
To the jail. So I'll be there when he spawns.
You're gonna stalk him at jail?
Oh, I crashed.
Let me out.
Are you gonna stalk him at jail? Like, you know, he's just... You know... Although...
Oh my god. Oh, this is... Okay, so it spawned me, like, in the wall?
Yeah, the position's messed up. You just gotta...
Toggle call. TOGGLECOLL. Tilde toggle call.
He already kicked the door open, so...
Yeah.
Oh, he was able to kick the door open?
No, I was just... Yeah, I couldn't see anything for a minute, and I was in the wall. It wasn't, like, collisions or anything.
Alright. Yeah, jails are a little messed up. We have to fix those.
I can purchase all 12 ship types? Wow.
There's no ships. There's no ships to buy at the moment. You can purchase stronger weapons. Who wrote these tips? They're not.
I don't know. They're not tips.
They're not really helpful. They're like the toon tips on Toontown. The ones that are like, you can sell your pets. You can sell your fish to the pet shop for jelly beans.
It's like, yeah, if you've been playing the game for more than 5 minutes, you know that.
Yeah, we'll probably try and come up with some more intricate tips.
Ask developers for free.
There was one that was pretty funny. If you've been playing this game for more than 2 hours, you should take a break. And there was one, don't try to play this game with 2 eye patches.
That.
I'm gonna kill this kid out over here just because I don't like him.
He looked at me funny.
But we've been playing it for more than 2 hours, I think, so...
Yeah, it started at like 6 o'clock or something.
Why is this barrel just sitting here?
Because that's messed. The grid's messed up, so a barrel just like spawns in the ground.
Oh, you're over there?
If you like walk back, then it'll like sometimes it shows up in the right place. I don't get it. Like it's supposed to be over here, but then it's like over there. I don't even know anymore.
Oh yeah, it moved. That's weird.
Oh yay! I got 3 gold. Yippee.
Don't go in Fort Charles, that's messed up.
Okay.
You won't crash, it just looks weird.
It's a little messed up.
Do you guys have cannon defense in any way, shape, or form?
I wish.
Yeah.
That's gonna be like probably the hard mini game to implement because it needs like instant stuff.
Here, take a run over to the graveyard. We'll go take a look at King's Run. Hey, could you turn off debug running?
Oh, I have debug running. Okay, stream. You got to see what it looks like for people to go Sonic fast.
Sonic.
Did you ever play Pirates?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
I was a big fan of it. I got up to level 50. It kind of like Toontown though got a little boring in the later years because
Toontown to me gets very repetitive.
Yeah. Neither game has very much end game, which is kind of disappointing.
For Pirates, end game is kind of just like ship for ship all day.
Yeah, and looting and stuff. But that again, that gets kind of boring.
The appeal dies off, kind of.
Yeah.
So. You're holding your sword, but you're not actually holding anything. Oh, I gotta take a... Oh, there you go.
Oh, that was weird. I'm still holding it.
Ignore Teodama.
Yeah, I don't know why. It's probably cutscene
yeah, that's not the right place.
It's probably cutscene related, because there's a cutscene here.
Yeah.
So they have Tia loads or whatever.
Animation either.
Random collision there.
Probably the server's confused or something. Probably gonna have to be like, don't put that there or something.
Oh, can we not run past here?
You can. You just have to kind of move around.
Go this way. All right.
Yeah, there's like some random collisions here. We have to fix it up. Decompilation issues.
These caves were literally just added yesterday, so.
That's fun.
Like some of these, like the base,
this is
like
the newest
so
feature,
out of
and
scale.
it's still like really buggy. Like some of the islands don't even have their caves implemented yet, and if you go over all caverns, it's like buggy. I'm gonna turn off my GM icon because it's like it's annoying now. My water's just like, I'm not sure if this... Oh, wait, what the hell? Oh, wait. Oh.
Does it look good for you in there?
The No, it looks fine in here. The alligator for a second was red.
That's weird.
My water wasn't animated for a second, but now it's, like, animated. Now it's weird.
Oh, now it's animated for me, too. That's weird.
It, like, it stops and then starts again. It's kind of... It doesn't when it feels like it.
That's interesting.
So is there any loot in game yet?
Yeah, there's looting.
Yes. Click the take all button always. You could always remove the items that you get. Yeah, there's sometimes a crash if you click a random button in it.
You have to kill a bunch of enemies before you'll get a loot pouch, though.
Oh, okay. Right.
But
yeah, loot's a little hard to come by.
Do you have the original, like, tables?
Yes.
Nice.
This is the original reputation and everything.
Oh, cool.
It's just, right now it's like not showing like you're getting a lot. Where do you guys go?
I'm over here.
Where's your...
I don't know, where are you?
I'm near this pond.
Oh, you're near the pond?
Yeah, where are you guys at?
We're near the pond.
Oh, there you are.
We might not be near the same pond, though. Oh, yeah, there you are.
There's only one pond.
Okay, well then, yeah, we're near the pond.
You might want to have him give himself some rest.
Oh, yeah, is it...
Go to the Voodoo doll, and I'll give you a command to type. Click on the Voodoo doll, and I'll give you a command to type.
Okay, come on.
Now I'm sword level 22, so... skills... Oh, wait. No, never mind, I haven't. It's kind of like... Spin cut. There we go.
Ooh, gross, I'm frozen.
Oh, now I gotta... Oh, no. You're damaging Fiddles.
Me? No, I wasn't.
Okay, might want to give himself some HP.
Oh, wait, never mind.
I want to give him...
Ooh, I crashed.
You crashed?
Yeah. TLOPO has stopped working.
That's right.
Oh, that's not even logged. Dang it. It's just,
Well, I was stuck there, like, frozen on a black screen for a while. I alt-tabbed out to look at the Skype message, and it came back black, so...
I think the resource, like, sets, like...
You might have ran out of memory.
Those are issues even we have, so it's kind of hard to...
Yeah, we'll figure them out. Maybe in your eyes a memory hog.
No, because those kind of stopped working errors are stuff we even have on development. I've got a lot of Skype messages I just haven't read yet. Alright. So, at this point, I'm trying to look at... What the heck? I'm not even... That's weird. I love how, like, when you hit, like, someone else, it also hits... Hit two people. That's not good. Alright, what else?
I saw a question about mini games. We might come up with some new mini games. Who knows? We're still in our early days.
Yeah.
We haven't really discussed new content.
Do you think you're gonna do ship repairs the same way?
Oh yeah, that'll all be the same.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, can defense, like all the Disney stuff will all be the same.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna add back like the deleted content and the unreleased, like the unreleased weapons. We'll probably find a way to incorporate those in the game somehow.
Do you think we'll ever see the Kraken cutscenes and models?
Don't talk about some of those.
Okay.
We don't know yet. We don't want to have a lot of info about those yet.
There's just a whole bunch of stuff there's like a whole bunch of possibilities for stuff that's not even like.
Yeah, I get that. That's more what I meant. Like, is there anything there to do with that, or would you have to do most of that yourself? Like with
most of it ourselves.
Oh, gross. All right.
How did it hit you when you were behind me and somehow I hit my sword and it hit you? Like, all right, the hit detection is very off.
Oh well.
Is teleportation not working?
Teleportation to other players doesn't work yet. You kind of gotta walk. Player teleportation, that'll be an alpha though. Hopefully, it better be an alpha because that would be just walk.
I'm not gonna walk, my friends. I will log on and then log off.
I already have an idea of how it should be done.
Yeah, you click teleport and it brings you to them. Went silent.
You're gonna.
Are we still streaming?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, I interrupted everyone.
No, you're fine. I was just wondering if enemies can get aggroed. It doesn't look like it. I'm trying to tiptoe around
enemies
them.
No, they won't.
We have the code written for it, but it's buggy, so it's turned off at the moment.
Just like every enemy in the zone just comes after you.
So like if we turn it on, then like. They like walk.
There's a memory leak with it. Yeah, it'll crash the server in about 15 minutes if that's on.
Yeah, the server will just die.
It'll be like really laggy. You'll see that the server is like taking up a lot of memory if you're the one hosting it, and then all of a sudden it'll just go down.
I'm trying to think of good islands to go to since.
Here, Rusty, I have something for you to type in there. I just saw your name there, but I have a command for you to type.
Pizza Island.
Type that in on Skype, but don't use it with your sword open.
Let's go to Pizza Island.
Oh, just use it with your sword. Now you type this in now.
Am I corrupted?
No.
Oh God.
No corruptions here.
No, you wouldn't be corrupted. I just want you to be able to level up your sword.
He's leveling up and then leveling down because negative that takes away rep.
Yeah, I wanted to do it on a different one, so.
Alright.
So like he could be able to level up. Oh, I crashed.
Do those crash or something? No, they don't. They don't. Crash.
No, I had a segmentation fault.
Segmentation fault.
I don't think I entered that right.
Why? What happened?
Well, am I supposed to be at sword level 23?
Yeah, it's supposed to lower.
Oh, okay. Alright, cool.
Now go to like a different weapon, like click on your doll, then type in the other one. Type in the other command.
The first one?
Yeah, type in the first one while having the doll open or something.
Okay.
Pizza Island. Like, let's go to Pizza Island. That's just Port Royal.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, Pizza Island.
What else is there around? Like, we'll go to Rumrunners.
I love the Voodoo doll.
I've already been to Perdida.
Yo, if you actually add a few magic words, you could restart the server if they're server side. So I could add in some magic words to distributed player pirate AI. So then we could go to Rumrunners.
And then Cutthroat Outcast Isle. I'm gonna go to Rumrunners. Rumrunners is cool. if the stream's still going at like 10, I'm probably gonna end it because at 10, since at 10 I'm gonna probably like fix bugs and stuff.
You're gonna end the stream to go fix bugs? Oh, I'm just kidding. God, it's so selfish.
You know, the game can't be, yeah.
Here, I'm gonna give you something to add, then we'll turn the server off for a second. We'll throw a new magic word in.
Like, I've been collecting bugs from this stream just so that after the stream I can just fix a bunch of bugs at once.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go to Rumrunners first. This Rumrunners is cool. You gotta remember, Bullwhip, you gotta remember, Bullwhip, it's not as fun as it may seem. You know, we can play the game, of course, but most of the time we're working on the game, not playing it. This is kind of just like a preview, just to show you guys what we have been sweating on for past like month. So.
Yeah, it's amazing the amount of progress you've made, especially compared to other pirate servers.
Like a month ago, like to give an idea of what we didn't have, like a month ago we didn't have player profiles, we didn't have caves, we didn't have looting, we didn't have, like, the friend system didn't work. And
like, you couldn't even talk a month ago. We had to rewrite the chat system.
The chat system didn't work either. Like, all these features have been added from like, since July 27th to now. We've added, like, 4 or 5 major features.
So, are there any big features that you think are going to take a while?
Sailing.
And a huge effort?
Sailing.
Like, ooh.
Questing.
Is it going to be like parties for TTR?
No, probably not. Probably not.
Okay.
Although questing's probably going to be one of the easier things, but then again, I don't know, because like it's a lot more complex than Toontown's like questing, so who knows. But then sailing will be like that feature with like, it'll probably be like a really difficult feature with a big payoff though, since everyone loves sailing, except for like maybe like 2 or 3 people.
I liked sailing, but it got really old really fast.
Yeah,
to me. I liked land combat more.
It seems like a lot of people are itching to have sailing back though, probably just because of the idea that
Yeah, I like sailing, mostly for the nostalgia. I don't think any other game has done it in the same way, which is kind of sad.
Then again, what is it? People are just like nostalgic for the whole game in general. So yeah, that's why you have all these everyone like watching this stream. So that like we had like up to like 70 viewers. So like
Yeah. And that it was really impromptu too. I'm sure if you had like announced it on the website or something, you would have had.
Me and Mike were on Skype and we were in caves like fighting things on the server, and we were like, we should stream. So then like we just posted the link on the IRC and was like, tell your friends. So it was kind of just an off the cuff.
We got permission first, then did that though. Always permission first.
Yeah, we got permission to show. We got permission.
There's a rogue.
We said to the head developer we wouldn't show caves, but he was like, no, show caves. I was like, okay, we'll show caves. If it was like announced like ahead of time, like if we did like a day ahead announcement or something, we probably had more people. But it was just like random.
Did you guys make that announcement? Sorry, go ahead.
Go ahead, you can go.
Did you guys make that announcement anywhere about if the game is going to be coming out? And I'm assuming since it's the 31st, it's not coming out in August.
People know that the game's people know that the game's delayed. Like people heard in the IRC, and then they started telling like through like other news sites, like fan sites and stuff.
Okay.
So people know.
But there was a reason for it. There was a good reason.
Oh, I believe
it. It wasn't just like a,
yeah, I already.
It wasn't just something we were like, oh nope.
Yeah.
I'm not feeling it.
I was talking to Jack on Skype like 2 or 3 days ago and gave him the reason, so it's like...
I don't really, I mean, whenever it comes out is cool. It's just, yeah.
But you can see how buggy the game is now. Like,
definitely.
If we release the game right now, like I had said on the chat, like when I was talking to you the other day, if we released it now, it would be like insanely buggy and people would keep crashing and stuff. So. Now I'm gonna go to what other island there was? I just came off of. Probably gonna go to like. I was just on Rumrunners. I go to Driftwood. I could go to Driftwood. I'm just gonna go on a bunch of islands since.
Here, I'm actually making a set of magic words so we can be able to go to some other islands. I'll have you update the server then.
All right.
Oh, can we not equip other weapons?
What?
Can we not equip other weapons?
The inventory is kind of messed. The inventory is kind of messed up. You have to click on the item that's in your current like inventory slot, and then click on the weapon in your inventory that you want to replace it with.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, we'll get that fixed soon enough. So.
Oh, that's neat.
Oh, hint, don't use the voodoo staff.
Oh, I was just about to use it. Okay, alright.
Because if you use the voodoo staff, you have to make a whole new pirate. Because the voodoo staff is one of the bugged weapons.
Yeah, that seems like a bit of a bug.
So, yeah.
Yeah, that's why it's not going to be released right away.
So, let's go on Driftwood. I think this is one of those. I think Driftwood is one of the islands that has like the messed up like collision sphere, where it'll say like you need to enter the high seas, but you're on land.
Yeah, we'll get that fixed soon.
Oh yeah, there. Wait. Damon X22. The Legend of Pirates actually started in February of this year, and all this progress.
No, it started in November.
November. But
November 2015 it started.
Didn't development not start till like 2015?
They really started picking up development in February-ish, but it started altogether in November, and then POR merged in April, which I'm POR guy.
Okay, so it started in November 2014, but that's only really like, that's less than a year of progress still. Like less than a year of work, so.
We've been working on this every single day.
I think me and Mike would know about that, staying up till 9 in the morning working on this game.
Some days you just don't even sleep.
Yeah, some days I didn't even sleep. I just stayed up. At that point, I was like, why even bother?
Before the fireworks video and the other video, what was it? There was one other video. It was our actual. What was it called? Develop the preview. I was up, I think, 36 hours prepping for that because there were so many bugs. You and I were working on it, but then you fell asleep. I was like, why would you fall asleep on me?
There was the initial announcement video, there was potions, there was the fireworks video, there was the multiplayer and island stuff, and then there was the developer short that was like 30 minutes long, so it wasn't even short, but yeah, I remember I had just passed out. I wasn't planning on it, but I just passed out.
Alright, I'm gonna throw a magic word in here. And I have it defined in the AI. It might need to be on the client, but I don't think it needs to be.
Wait, you define?
If it needs.
Wait.
I defined a new set of magic words for teleportation.
Is it like the same as the other ones where it does like the magic teleport thing?
Yeah.
That can't be on the AI. That has to be with all the others, where all the others are stored. I don't know where you keep all the others.
I never tried them on the AI. I was going to have you just restart the AI before I have to recompile the client for him.
Oh, okay.
Like, that's why I was going to have you try that first before I need you to do that. Yeah, I'm just gonna find this Spanish PvP. I don't want to figure out how to pronounce or spell Averica or whatever.
Now I'm gonna go to Devil's Anvil.
Alrighty. Alright.
Am I gonna need to log out?
No, it'll kick you off.
I'll say the district died.
Ahoy, the Legend of Pirates Online will be closing momentarily for an update. Cool.
Alright, it's on the repository.
And before it breaks.
No, it wouldn't crash the server. But really quickly when the server goes back up.
Well, if it... let me see.
I really should start getting though, just in case. It wouldn't take long to upload, but... I just realized I could kind of sit here.
Alright, I think it updated. Oh yeah, it did.
Is the server up?
I don't know, what do you think? Yeah, it's up.
Okay. I'll set that magic word really quickly. I think I introduced 8 magic words. Let me check.
I'm pretty sure...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 magic words.
I'm almost definite that...
Oops, the last 2 won't work. I forgot to have the at above it, so those last 2 won't work. Oh well.
I'm almost definite that these won't work because you're trying to route a client repository through the AI.
That is true, but it's worth a test.
And if it doesn't work, then we're gonna have to put it into...
ED4 teleports every single person in the district to that island.
Yeah, it's gonna...
It's calling the server's client file or whatever. The server uses client files too.
Yeah.
So it's not like the server's its own thing.
We'll
like it is its own
to
thing.
Devil's Anvil. Just teleport everyone to Rumrunners.
Did you try it?
Let me try.
Worst case scenario is like HCR or something.
Failed teleporting.
Okay, so I have to recompile the client.
Guess whose commits being reverted?
Don't revert my commit. I'll revert my own commit.
Oh, no.
Thank you.
We'll be the judge of that. Reverted.
Oh.
Did you really just revert my commit?
Yeah.
You're sure you know that, right? What if I lost that? What if I didn't copy it down in time and I lost that commit?
What are you gonna do?
Huh?
What are you gonna do with client? What are you gonna do with client magic words in an AI file?
I'm gonna put them in the client.
You could go on GitHub, and just copy paste.
Nah. TLOPO uses GitHub confirmed.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was kind of.
GitHub is really nice. I love it.
Yeah. Most people knew that we already use GitHub. We actually have public documentation on our GitHub account, so.
Yeah, I documented the login API.
Yeah, it's actually neat. People can make their own launchers that, like, DDoS people's internet when they log in.
What?
That's fun.
That sounded so untrue.
Make DDoS launchers.
The seas are closed at this time. Oh.
Yeah, sorry. Those are kind of shut down.
Let's allow interaction just so that they can, like... Well, then again, it would...
Yeah, just you go like the little panel, and then it doesn't do anything.
It'll bring you to the panel, but you have no ship to click on, so it's like...
Ha ha ha. Teased. Is fishing working?
No.
Yeah.
We have to get.
It'll crash if you try to use the interaction.
We tried working on it, but we don't know how to work with this inventory stuff because our head developer rewrote the inventory system and only he knows how it's laid out. So we gotta.
So he has to document that for us, or else we have to read all of it again.
Better hope he doesn't leave.
No, he wouldn't leave.
He's not gonna leave. He's too into this. He is too into this project. Like he had, he came from Toontown community, and he's like, I don't like Toontown anymore. I want to work on something else. So.
It's respectable.
Yeah, I just got a message on Skype. He knows about Pizza Island. Abort! Abort!
Stream goes offline.
Pizza Island.
Burn it.
MF bosses of pizza.
Yeah.
Oh no.
I'm always pizza.
Pizza. Alright, so any objections to me reverting your commit?
I just pushed a new one that's not going to be an issue.
You want to bet?
Hey guys.
And I'm recompiling the client right now for him.
Oh, you actually forgot. You remembered to put the magic word things in the TLS too. So okay.
Still streaming.
Yeah,
yes, we're still streaming, Vector.
We're probably gonna stop streaming in like a half an hour because we've been streaming for like 3. At that point, we've been streaming for 4 hours. So
It's pretty crazy.
I'm gonna go to Driftwood next.
Alright, well I'm gonna get going, guys.
Alright, see you.
Alright, see you, Vector.
One.
Later. Nice to meet you.
Have a good one, Vector.
Later.
Alright, so yeah, these won't be reverted because you actually did it properly.
Shut up.
Okay. Okay.
Don't be mean about it.
God.
Are you gonna report me?
I know, right? God, he has the right idea.
Are you gonna get my? Are you gonna? I'm gonna have to ban my own account on my own server because I got reported.
That would suck. Like, he has Just Cause. I mean...
Password.
You spelled Perdida wrong.
I did?
You put an I.
No.
There's not supposed to be an I there.
I did? Oh, oops.
I'll fix that later. I'm too lazy right now. I'm streaming.
Just misspell Perdida in the client or whatever.
You're gonna imagine if people who knew how to pronounce it were on our team and they would be like, "You messed up the spelling."
I'd be like, "Sorry. Yes, I misspelled the magic word. Oops. I rushed it. Okay."
Yeah, well, it's fine. I'll fix it later.
The UID is correct. That's all that matters. It
fine,
takes you there.
Yeah, UID is correct.
I'll give him a list of magic words. You can reference the commit, but I'll give him a list of magic words. Alright, CD...
Actually, I think I've already been on Driftwood.
Can you actually write down all the new magic words for him so he has them?
Like the ones you just added?
Yeah, including the spelling error.
Sure. I'll include the spelling error.
Thank you.
Okay, so these are all teleport commands, the ones I'm listing. So
Okay.
I'm gonna put this in like...
They're not in there yet. Like, if you try to use them, it'll give you an issue.
Well, it just won't do anything.
Did you take down the server yet and fix the magic word issue so there's not any conflicting magic words?
Oh, wait. Oh. I was just gonna say, who takes the server down for client changes?
There's an AI change in it. You'd have a conflicting magic word. It would confuse the game to the point where it's like, what do I do?
You're an AI change.
Oh.
Yeah. That's like such a pre-K reference.
Pre-K? I just love how
I just like randomly like pulled that out of the air. Like, it's a pre-K reference.
Dude, we need to use like the suicide magic word so it says kindergarten is elsewhere.
The suicide magic word, what that does is it
kicks you off the server.
It'll simulate a developer kicking a client off the network because maybe they're up to no good. And I couldn't think of anything better to name the magic word than suicide. Because you're like killing yourself. The client's killing itself.
Yeah, it kicks you off the server instead of like other people. So there's a kick command and there's a suicide command.
And you actually have to reference the kick command as like tilde or something if you want it to affect somebody else. It's weird.
Gotta love it. Alright, I just wrote them all down, and yes, I include the spelling error.
Inside the TLOPO studios.
But then I didn't put the server back up.
You didn't. Put the
I should
server
probably
up.
try not. I probably shouldn't be connecting to it then.
No, it's good. It'll allow you to reconnect. If you don't connect to it when the server's up, if you connect when the server's not up, it'll say could not connect to IP blah blah. Mm-hmm. Try to connect again. Oh, wait, why am I going in there? I need to go in the near eye folder. Wow, in the config I had with the client shipped earlier, it had a declaration, but it didn't have an on or off next to it. That might be why he was able to have friendly fire.
Friendly
oh well,
fire.
I just fixed that.
Rusty.
It was one dot.
Alright, so I'm gonna go to... I forgot what island I was gonna go to because you made me restart the server and I forgot.
Rumrunners?
Already been to Rumrunners.
Oh.
Alright, I'm recompiling the game for you.
Oh,
Let me open up. Yeah.
So I need to use a different client?
I'll just give you...
He's just gonna send you a new, like, phase1.mf file.
Okay, alright.
Yeah, that's all I need to give you is a new phase 1. I'll throw it on mfloss.com.
The game the game data is literally in an MF file, so...
In before someone multi-files the MF file and they're like, what is this?
They can have fun with it though, because it's literally nothing. It's nothing that they can work with. I'm not gonna say what it is. I'm just gonna say it's nothing you can work with.
It's gonna be funny for those trolls out there who are like, I'm gonna burn your TLOPO. They're gonna open up and say, what do I do with this?
Yeah, it's just gonna be like they'll probably put it on like, I don't know, post it on Reddit.
Reddit is where all good things go to die.
That sounds a lot like r/Toontown.
That's what I was referring to.
All right, this is the French. This is the French island. Whatever. I've also never been on this island. This island's pretty cool. It's like, it's neat. Who's this guy? Bart Blastword.
So have you guys made any progress on like enemy pathing?
Enemy pathing, we've made progress on it, but it's disabled because it causes a memory leak.
Yeah. But they, like, you have a build where they could follow you. It just causes the server to crash after 15 minutes.
All we have to do is change a config file and restart the server, and then they'll start to move, but then the server will crash in like 15 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so there's a lot of issues with enemies, but we're fixing it.
Cool.
The French island's cool, but the music doesn't fit. Actually, it kind of fits, I just don't like the music. I like most of the Pirates Online music, but I don't seem to like this one.
No, it's like stock music.
Yeah.
Same for like Raven's Cove. It just kind of seems like eerie stock music that somebody found at Disney.
When I was in the caves fighting bats, I swear that bat sound effect was also in Toontown.
Yeah, it's from Jungle Vines. I know you're talking.
It sounds exactly like Toontown's.
Mm-hmm. And there are a few other ones that I found when I was making my Pirates Online video. Like when a cage opens in Toontown, it's like the same as the treasure chest opening in Pirates.
Can't even
like,
have it. Yeah, they kind of like recycled some sound effects.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, it's 10% uploaded.
What the heck is Pearl Island? I don't know what that is.
Black Pearl, and that's recover the Black Pearl Island.
Alright.
I think that requires its own too.
Yeah, probably. Any large island, Potions Island, Fishing Islands, any large port. Oh yeah, there's the cannon defense stuff. Scrimmage Island, Molten Cavern. It's like caves. Salty Flats.
That's
Salty Flats.
That's a sea on the ocean.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a sea on the ocean.
Wow. Salty.
Like how there's Windworn Passage,
Salty.
Uncharted Oceans. That's
Salty.
Salty Flats.
Sea salt.
Whoa, we have 19 messages on our Facebook page. I'll have to check
Oh,
that
Black Pearl Bay. Black Pearl Bay does. Oh, because it's like it goes to like. Oh yeah, Black Pearl Bay. All right.
That was like the only like instance boss fight that there was in game, right? I don't think they ever got around to anything else.
Probably not. Let's see. Did I go? Oh, I didn't go to Outcast Isle, so.
Alright, 38% on your upload.
Okay, cool.
It takes that long.
I wish I had better internet. I really wish I did.
Wait, does it take that long to upload Phase 1?
This is what it's going to be like every time I upload something. Yes, it's taking me... In Phase 1, let me check the size. It's 16,000 kilobytes. It's about 16 megabytes.
That's awful.
Yeah, it's 16 megabytes flat.
Dude, what is your upload speed? Are you
It's
like
16
using
megabytes.
Are you like using a cash register or something?
Dial up.
It's DSL, which is a variation of dial-up.
That's
so
like,
yeah,
that's
it's
like
technically
worse than
something like dial-up.
That's like worse than 4G on your cell phone. Like,
You need Google Fiber.
It is worse. I get better internet on my phone.
That's pretty sad.
I get better download on my phone. Dude, that's sad.
My
That is
download
sad.
speed. My download speed's like 150.
The downfall with your phones, though, like if you have an iPhone or an Android, they can only download so fast because the technology is only so far
that's
developed.
The thing,
So like an iPhone, so even if you do have a faster download speed, an iPhone could only download at X speed as a cap.
And if you're using Windows Phone, but nobody uses Windows Phone. Damon, it's not crashing. I'm closing out the game and restarting it to change the islands. You have to change, like for some of these islands you can't teleport to, you have to change your manual in the database. The game's not crashing. If it was, then I would explicitly say crash, but I'm changing islands.
Oh my god, that water just makes me want to vomit.
Yeah, I just love the black water. Except, lucky you, because you don't have NVIDIA, so if you have NVIDIA, then you have to deal with it. If I wanted to play on my laptop, then I would have properly colored water, but...
So is there anything else with NVIDIA that like looks really weird?
No, it's just the water.
Okay.
Like literally everything else looks fine. It just I just don't understand why it's just the water that's messed up. Like for AMD and Intel graphics, they have perfect water. It makes me mad because I don't have good water. Do you use SQL for player data? No, we use. I think it's going to be in production. It's going to be MongoDB. But I mean, just gotta love this water. It like blends in with like the mountains in the background. How come the enemies don't attack when you walk? Because the aggro is disabled at the moment, but it would work if I had enabled ancient fly traps. Oh jeez. I remember when Rogue had posted a Gaiazo GIF image in the stab chat, and one of these guys was actually walking when the walking wasn't even implemented, so it was like a client bug or something.
Oh, one of the fly traps was walking?
Yeah, they were like walking. Like how they
Yeah, we didn't check avatar type for it. That's an easy fix.
Like how the
Okay, the file is uploaded.
Woo!
Alright, let me link for it.
That's gonna take the same amount of time to download it.
Oh, don't even go there.
Didn't you say Death Spice? I don't know if there's a particular fix for the Blackwater. We thought it was fixed. We thought it was changing the shaders with the less deprecated format, but that didn't really fix anything. It actually had more bugs with it, so we reverted back. The fix is, well, at the moment, if you want blue water and NVIDIA graphics, you gotta disable shaders, which just gives you blue water with no reflections. So. Except if you're in like Cuba, then it's proper color. It's like green or something.
That's weird. So it's only with blue water that it freaks out.
Yeah.
All right. So when I get in game, what command should I use?
Whatever ones that are provided in that chat there. It'll take you to those islands. You'll just start teleporting.
Where are you right now?
You may need to type this in.
Damon, I'm not sure what the point you're trying to make is having to close the game to switch islands. You're not even meant to teleport to these islands. Like on Pirates Online, you would sail to these islands. There's no sailing at the moment. So you have to manually set your return location to these islands. The islands that you can teleport to, you can just go to your map, but like I'm not sure how that's bad progress. I mean, there's no sailing at the moment. That's just because it hasn't been worked on yet. And there was another comment that I was going to reference. It was someone said like someone said that they guarantee the servers will crash on the day of release. We don't think the servers are going to crash on the day of release, but they might be laggy.
Even if they do, they'll be back up in like a minute.
We'll be monitoring.
You've seen him. He took the server down how many times during this video? It was always back up in a couple seconds.
We'll be monitoring the servers like mad on the day of release just to make sure everything's...
The day it releases, I'm not going to be able to sleep. The day it releases.
Yeah, the day it releases, I won't be sleeping. I'll just be monitoring the servers to see like what if they go down, just restart them like right away. And then I'm
gonna ask if I can have access to server management. So if there ever would be some major issue and we have to close the server immediately, I could be able to kick everyone off.
And Death Spice, I'm not sure
if there's any more islands. I am always on.
Death Spice, I'm not sure if there's any islands that you haven't seen yet. I've shown most of them. What was it? The update schedule will be like, because things will be added to the game, but the update schedule through Alpha will be like, we'll add at least one new feature probably every major update, and then like the minor updates will be probably numerous bug fixes and optimization. But during Alpha, since we have quite a bit of stuff that we have working, we'll probably be adding at least a feature every major release. What was it? We're not sure how big the public server will be user-wise. Obviously, in the closed stages, it's going to be limited to the amount of people that have keys, and they won't even be online all at once. Although I'm not sure.
I can't teleport to Outcast.
I'm not sure if they'll be on. Why not?
Sorry, you do not have teleport access to that island yet.
Wow. And then what is it? And then it says
I might define a teleport token for it.
And
if that's the case, I will have that server side if I'm able to.
And then I deliver chaos. There's only one person on the server. Well, actually, there's multiple people on the server, but I'm the only one on this island because I set my location to it, and the others, they can't because they don't have database access. Rhaegar, Histra, fascinated by crabs. It took 2 years to make. Crabs didn't take 2 years to make. Enemies was like 2 or 3 weeks or something, and then crabs could be killed. So that was one of the easier features as far as I know. I think the dog's on here. I'm not sure if there is, unless I just walked by or something. The water issue could be a DirectX problem. No idea. It might. I wouldn't be surprised if it was. You know, possibly. I haven't really tested much of this.
So I didn't get, when I type in TP access, nothing comes up, and then any of the other commands don't work because I don't have TP access.
You're supposed to just be able to type in TP access, and then it won't give you a message, but you'll be able to teleport to like Tortuga and stuff.
Okay. Let me test that. Yeah, you don't have teleport access to that island yet.
That's weird.
No, it's not weird. You're only allowed to teleport to an island you have access to. That's just how pirates worked. We'd have to figure out a way to...
There's a delay. By the way, is Pearson. Pearson used to go by Damien Straub, and if you look at the username, can't you teleport to a location of the island? I remember there was a bug once where there's no island collision. You could swim to the other islands and they loaded. I'm not sure. I haven't tried that.
Did I not put phase 1 in the right place? I think I did. Huh.
Epic cereal. Yes, we know a way to do that. Alright, so what island are you going to be on next?
I'm not sure how I'm reading these comments.
I think someone said Ravens.
Is Ravens working?
Yeah.
Nice.
Did you type in the command TP access?
Yeah.
He said it didn't work unless he fixed it.
Try it again. Type it in, and then click a couple times on an island, and then it should work from there on out.
Yeah, it's not letting me.
Let me see if I can invoke it on you. Try now.
Teleporting?
CNR Jayhawk sailing probably
Yeah, try teleporting now.
CNR Jayhawk sailing probably won't take forever. That'll probably be something you see you'll probably see in beta. That'll probably be one of the more difficult features, but we'll work on it.
So I was able to go to Tortuga, but like Driftwood and Devil's Anvil wasn't working.
Something.
So like Driftwood and Devil's Anvil, you can't teleport to those. You can only teleport to the ones that are defined in the teleport token, which is like Tortuga, Padres, Port Royal.
Oh, from like questing and stuff.
Ravens Cove, stuff like that. Yeah, the ones that you're actually given teleport access to, like in the main game, we have to figure out a way to give people teleport access to every single island. Something I'd like to see, ability to teleport to Kingshead. You want to see the ability to teleport to Kingshead? Hold on, I just teleport to Kingshead. So.
Oops.
Where'd you go?
Kingshead.
You go to Ravens?
I went to Padres.
Oh, yeah. I went to Padres.
Padres? Okay, that won't take me long.
I was just messing around with it. Sorry, I didn't see you there.
No worries.
Death Spice, I don't think all Voodoo weapons are bugged. I just know if you use the Voodoo staff, then that's bugged.
Ooh. Crash.
Really?
Yep.
How'd you crash?
Stop working as I was loading into place.
Oh, that's one of those like resource bugs.
Okay.
sorry, you don't have teleport access to the island. Oh,
So what are all these BAM files? Crash logs?
what?
I said all these
BAM files? No.
Yeah.
BAM
That's
files?
a cache.
Oh, that's your cache.
BAM. Yeah.
That's
your cache.
Oh, okay, alright.
Yeah, those aren't organized. They should be in their own folder.
Yeah, we're gonna have to reroute those into a cache folder. That's like when you load into an island, the world creator caches all the models so they'll load faster. But the system's kind of bugged at the moment, so it doesn't load faster.
Yeah, we're gonna be fixing that up soon. We're also gonna be implementing it in a better way. But you're loading on Padres, correct?
If it still loads me into Padres. Hold on.
Oh, actually, let's go to Kingshead.
Okay.
Alright, guys.
I don't know if I can
Type
get
in
there.
the Kingshead magic word.
Okay.
Yeah, you can. Type in the Kingshead magic word. Tilde Kingshead.
So, it is around 10 o'clock, probably ends soon. Just because, you know, and then fix bugs.
Oh, you're gonna end this in 3 minutes?
I don't think exactly 3 minutes, probably like 5 minutes or something.
Yeah, I have to hop off a bit too.
And then there will probably be some more updates very soon once we actually get close to our actual alpha date, which we have the internal date and we'll try to meet that, but you know, obviously we're not going to announce the internal date because then people will...
Then it won't be internal.
And then it's an
Then
internal
people will
date.
perceive it as an official date, so...
It will be an external date.
So
Right.
the internal date we're working on, the internal date
Yeah.
will probably actually be able to meet, unlike the estimate release of August that we had set before, which didn't really go anywhere. So
Which I think a lot of people just ignored the word estimate.
yeah, people.
Yeah.
I think people just saw August and they're like,
People were just
okay.
it's releasing August, but
And ignored the no promises.
the biggest thing that I want to stress from what you guys seen in the stream with the constant crashing, you know, you guys have probably heard this before, but this is in fact pre-alpha footage. Everything, all the bugs you've seen, all the like lack of features and stuff, this will all be restored and fixed and stuff. Like most of the bugs you see will probably be fixed by alpha. We'll try to fix those bugs by alpha so you're not crashing as much as I was. And this is not the last stream. We'll probably be streaming more eventually, and then of course once alpha starts you'll probably have a whole bunch of people who are willing to stream the game. But us, this was just kind of like a random stream just because we were bored. So the content you also saw in here, all this, hold on, let me actually turn down, turn down the, so basically all I wanted to say is just, pre-alpha, like I said.
Losing your train of thought?
Yeah, I'm kind of losing my train of thought. So pre-alpha, very buggy, as you see.
This is all pre-alpha material.
Going to be improved over time. You're basically seeing pre-alpha, like this is our progress as of today. So everything we've shown, mostly everything we've shown is what we currently have. So the caves you've seen and everything are our current progress as of right now. So this is all going to change. All the bugs are hopefully going to be fixed by alpha. You know, lack of guilds and stuff. You'll probably see guilds and stuff in alpha. Since those are being worked on, but they're not in a usable state at the moment. And
I have a bug to report.
all right, sure. What's
Okay.
that?
So I was just upgrading the skills on my Voodoo doll, and it's like they don't update in real time. You have to close out and then go back in. Okay.
Yeah,
I was
That's
just
only
making
Voodoo
sure.
dolls were perfect
Okay, cool.
They were perfect on your,
Yeah,
Cutlass.
sword worked okay.
yeah, that's because we have the sword separate, but not the Voodoo doll one.
but
Like,
yeah.
we're right in the mess, we need weapon.
But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this stream showing Legend of Pirates: Our Current Progress. If you continue to have any questions about the Legend of Pirates or what you saw in the stream, you can always You can always post on the Twitter, or ask on the IRC, or email. You know, we have many ways of getting a hold of us.
TLOPO support for the win.
Yep, and then so you'll be seeing more progress soon. You know, once there's some other stuff that we're working on at the moment that obviously couldn't be shown because it's not working the best. But also finished caves. You know, a lot of caves aren't finished. But you'll be seeing a lot more soon, and probably also enemies that actually aggro properly and stuff like that. So hope you guys enjoyed the current progress, and see you all in Alpha. So,
woo! Bye everyone.
Bye guys.
Enjoyed the stream.
So this is really cool.
So on behalf of me, Mike, and
the entire Legend of Pirates Online team,
Legend of Pirates team, and our special guest here, Jack.
Hi.